In this very quick video guide, I want to talk to you about dimensions.com, which is a website where you can get really detailed information, measures, and dimensions of basically anything that is important in architecture and furnishing, interior design, but also you will find animals, humans, and layouts and other interesting things for those of you who do architecture again and design. So this is the website here. You can find it by searching dimensions.com. It's really easy to use. So I'm just going to do a quick introduction, a quick guide, and then you can continue yourself. So if I open up, this is going to be the home page. I want to show you quickly also the furniture page and also the layouts. And you can check the rest for yourself. It's really easy. So this is the home page. And you can see you can find in this website also 2D and 3D assets, but you need to switch to the Pro version if you want to download those. But instead, if you don't want to download those, you can just use it to get inspired and get dimensions and use JPEGs and drawings to recreate these objects yourself. So you can see here there is like a mixture of like popular characters and animals, furniture, vehicles, and so on. Now, you can browse directly from here, or you can use categories if you want to narrow your search, be quicker in your search. But you can see here we have, again, humans, animals, plants, objects, furniture, fixtures, buildings, layouts, transport, sports, digital, pop culture. So you have really a lot of stuff that you can use, again, for your projects and just to get the dimensions right, or to understand what are the basic measures for you can see here also devices and other dressers and other furniture. So if we go directly in the furniture page, you can see here you have, for example, beds and sofas and so on. So let's go to armchairs, for example, and you can also find entire spaces or layouts. You can see here for the living room and bedrooms and kitchens, laundry rooms, garage. So let me just go here to kitchen as well. So this is armature, and there you go. So you have like the basic information here, and then you have like the most important shapes that you can open up and study. You also have the Iron Throne from Game of Thrones, and you can see the 3D here, the description, and the main measures. You can see here the front view, the plan view, the elevation view. So it's really handy again if you want a project. If you want to design your own armchair, you can start with some of these. And this is one of the layout. This is the kitchen layout. And then you have other types of layouts. So if you want to know, for example, the generic measures of L shape kitchen, you can see here with the Highlands. You can see here all the minimum measures, the minimum requirements. And well, that's it. So it's one really fun thing also to check is pop culture. Here you can find like popular characters from reality, but also from fiction. So it's really fun in this case to have a look to these dimensions and see how tall they are, how big, and so on. So this will be all for this video guide. I hope you enjoyed, and if you did, please subscribe to the channel to stay updated for more guides like this, but also check the other video guides and video courses on CAD software that we have, like AutoCAD or LibreCAD, and also 3D design. And by the way, if you want to get Pro here, you can get it, and you will also have the ability to download the DVG drawings, CAD drawings, JPEG, and SVG to use for graphic design, for vector graphics, for computer-aided design, and so on. So again, thanks for watching. Check our other video guides, video courses in the channel. And also, if you want to support us a little bit more, you can join the channel as a supporter. So thanks for watching again. See you in the next video.